Bangladesh-Pakistan T20I series news. Parvez Hossain Imon shines with 50 as Bangladesh beat Pakistan by 7 wickets. Bangladesh defeated Pakistan by 7 wickets in the first T20I match played at Sher-e-Bangla National Cricket Stadium in Dhaka on Sunday, 20 July, to take a 1-0 lead in the three-match T20 series. After winning the toss and decided to bowl first, Bangladesh performed brilliantly and bundled out Pakistan for just 110 runs. Pakistan did not have a good start. Opener Siam Ayub, 6 of 4 balls, was out for 18 runs. After this, the middle order collapsed badly. Mohammad Haris 4, Captain Salman Ali Agha only 3, Hassan Nawaz 0 and Mohammad Nawaz 3 could not secure runs, due to which Pakistan's score became 70 by 6. Opener Fakhur Zaman, 44 runs, tried to hold one end but returned to the pavilion after being run out by Taskin Ahmed. In the end, Khushdil Shah 17 and Abbas Afridi 22 added some runs, but the entire team was all out for 110 runs in 19 overs and 3 balls. For Bangladesh, Taskin Ahmed took 3 wickets while Mustafizur Rahman took 2 wickets for 6 runs in 4 overs. How was Bangladesh's performance while chasing? Let's try to discuss. Bangladesh had a bad start while chasing the target of 111 runs. Tanjeed Hassan Tamim and Captain Liton Dash returned to the pavilion after getting out for 7 runs. However, Parvez Hossain Imon played continuously and scored an unbeaten 56 runs in 39 balls and stabilized the innings. Tauhid Hridoy 36 also made an important contribution but was bowled by Abbas Afridi in the 13th over. In the end, Zakir Ali 15 unbeaten and Imon 56 unbeaten took the team to the target in 15 overs and 3 balls. Salman Mirza took 2 wickets in 3 overs and 3 balls for Pakistan but could not help the team win. With this win, Bangladesh took a 1-0 lead in the 3-match series.